Hello students, welcome to e-learning session. Today we'll start learning background to the making of the constitution. Students, we know that India got freedom in the year 1947. Before that, India was ruled by British. Before leaving India, British wanted to make rules for Indians, but Indians refused to accept it. They wanted to make rules for themselves. They wanted that India will govern by the rules made by Indians only. So a committee was established to prepare the Constitution of Independent India. This committee is called as Constituent Assembly. The total number of members of Constituent Assembly were 299 and Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the President of Constituent Assembly. For administration purpose, British divided India into different provinces like Mumbai province, then Madras province and Bengal province. There were princely states also apart from these provinces. These princely states, they refused to become a part of Constituent Assembly. Hence, Constituent Assembly was having only 299 members. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar was the chairman of drafting committee. He had studied in depth the constitutions of different countries of the world. He studied and contemplated day and night to draft our constitution, and the draft was prepared by him was presented to the Constituent Assembly. This draft was discussed article by article. Many amendments were suggested by different members. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar handled the task of presenting the draft, answering the various questions raised on it, then making changes in the draft as per the suggestions of these members, and making every provision of the constitution flawless, means without any error. So, due to his contribution, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar was considered as an architect of the constitution. Students, do you know that decisions in the Constituent Assembly was made on the basis of debate and discussions? A respect for opposing viewpoints and acceptance of appropriate suggestions was a characteristic of making of the Constituent Assembly. Now, one important thing is, after 11 sessions, 165 days of discussions of 299 members, the constitution was made. Okay, and the chairman was Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. It is longest written constitution in the world. It has 395 articles in 22 parts and 12 schedules. In original constitution there were 8 schedules. Okay students. Now the well-known members of Constituent Assembly were Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Abul Kalam Azad, Sarojini Naidu, Acharya J.B. Kripalani, Rajkumari Amrit Kaur, Durgabai Deshmukh, Hansaben Mehta and others. Dr. B.N. Rao was appointed as a constitutional advisor on legal matters. The Constituent Assembly enacted the Constitution and adopted it on 26 November 1949. Therefore, 26 November is observed as Constitution Day. The country began to be governed according to the Constitution from 26 January 1950. The Indian Republic came into existence from this day. Hence, 26 January was celebrated as Republic Day. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar's contribution was in a wide range of fields like number 1, water conservation, Number 2, foreign policy. Number 3, national security. Number 4, journalism. Number 5, economics. And number 6, social justice. Students, here we are finishing our lesson.